Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us see a South Indian style brinjal and drumstick curry. First we have to prepare the masala. Take quarter cup of coconut. To this add 10 to 15 shallots. If you don't have shallots, add half an onion. To this add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and little water and grind it into a fine paste. Our masala is ready. Set this aside. Now pour some oil in a pan. To this add 1 long chopped drumstick. 4 or 5 chopped brinjal and saute this well. Next are the chopped potatoes. Peel the skin of a small potato, chop it and add it to this. Saute this well for about 3 minutes. Then add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and the required amount of salt. Saute this until all the vegetables are almost cooked. The vegetables are ready. Now add 1 teaspoon of chilli powder. Now it is time to add the prepared masala. Along with this add little water, about half a cup. Let this get cooked till the raw smell of the masala goes off. So keep it in medium flame, it will take another 5 minutes. Here the curry is ready. I have made this little thick. If you want it little loose, add more water. For this type of curries, tempering is very important. So next is tempering. Pour some oil in a pan. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of split black gram, that is urad dal. Once the mustard starts popping, you can add few curry leaves. Saute the leaves for about a minute and then add the tempering into the curry. The famous South Indian drumstick brinjal kootu is ready. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.